안녕하세요. 저는 Amy입니다, and I'm back doing another reaction video for you. Today is day 2 of my 15,000 subscriber reaction Fortnight. This reaction request comes from GGGKZ, and you said, Dimash, please reaction. So this one is Opyat Metel, Blizzard again.
It's a sing-along version.
Зарығып тосуыңмен келемен Қар басып жүрген жатыр шоң
Wow.
Сол жерден де қайта жолығамыз ба деп ем Сен жоқсың қайта созамын ғой Аяз қарым
Oh yes.
Жаурайды жан жүрегім мұздайды Аяз қарым Жүрегім сені іздейді жаным қайдасың
Falling off the note, oh my god, yes.
Менсіңді сүйдім ұнаттым Кеш жолықтық неге бірақтым Қимасақ та қанша бал сезімді бастан
Oh my heart.
Өмірден де өтеді жаным Аяз қарап Жаурайды жан жүрегім мұздайды Аяз қарап Жүрегім сені іздейді жаным қайдасың
What?
Аяз қарап Жаурайды жан жүрегім мұздайды Аяз қарап Жүрегім сені іздейді жаным
Wow. Wow. Oh my god. That was beautiful. That was so stunningly beautiful. Oh my god. It's been way too long. It's been way too long since I listened to Dimash. Damn. I can't fault his voice. His voice is just one of those things that is just not of this world. Just the way that he so effortlessly goes from his chest voice to high falsetto head voice and just falls off the notes. It's not like a it's just a, and I'm just going to slowly slide down the note and fall and then go back up. It's such an art form that it's just so beautiful, and there's just no way. Wow. I loved that so much. Thank you so much for that request. If you liked that video, press the like button, leave some comments down below. Share this on social media if you would like to. All of my social media links are down below, so go check me out, follow me, friend me on all of those. If you'd like to leave any requests or suggestions for more videos that you'd like to see on my channel, then please let me know down below and I'll get your comments as soon as I can. That is it for this video, and I will talk to you tomorrow for day 3 of my 15,000 subscriber reaction Fortnight. Ruby face! Bye!